Of vendors and builders. Let's just go take a quick walk around of what's around here real quick, shall we? Let's see what we got here. I think we got some cars that are going up for sale right here. I think we got some kits, some trailer trash resin right here. Make sure you check them out. They got a great site. They got some great stuff for you guys. Check them out. Check them out. Yes, sir. A lot of you guys been asking about this stuff, so make sure y'all check out Trailer Trash Resin. Check him out. Get your stuff. Get what you need. We got a little bit of everything for y'all, man. A little bit of everything. A little bit of everything. Make sure y'all check him out. I'm gonna leave that right there for y'all. Bam. Bam. Check him out. Oh, we got the movie guy. Oh, Lord knows I love movies. Yes, sir. Let's see what we have in here. Gonna go shopping in just a second. See, we have a couple of spare parts. Got some kits here. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, man, we got some vendors. We got some guys just doing some shopping, just looking around. Everybody checking some stuff out.
Spend up too much
Got
gas.
some Mustangs, got some hard tops, got some Corvettes, Toyota Celicas, Mitsubishis.
Like I said, I know one will fit.
Racing pit team. We got everything. We got a couple of dedicated magazines featuring detailed junkies and some great vendors. See, we got some great looking decals here. Make sure y'all check him out. What's going on? Y'all make sure y'all check out the detailed junkie site. Got all the little gears and gadgets and extra parts you have to add on. Make sure y'all check him out. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, get y'all a good look at that. Boom, boom. Yeah, we're gonna keep walking around, keep moving. Might have to come get that Benz. Hello. Got the some more kits, some bad kits, some sealed kits. I'm looking for a 63 Impala today. That's my mission. I have a kit that was given to me and I need to get the parts. So we're just checking out. Half built, half baked. What's going on? Uh-oh. He done brought out the Lolo. Shout out to Jeffries for a beautiful rider. Stuff going on. What's up, man? Huh? That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Damn. Got the big scale over here. Look at that paint job.
These street legal. So I made the mufflers and made this.
I'm gonna come back with a detailed video. I'll see y'all in a minute. Triple T TV.